So I noticed that there was a couple of pests on one of our tree collards, and it's important to take very close notice of your plants, especially when they're cakey, which is especially when they're really young babies. So if you realize that you've got any pests, it's nice to use non-chemical pesticides. Like this one, for example, is neem oil, which is a nice organic and natural pesticide, and it's mixed with a little bit of dish soap. And so I've made the mix up, got it pre-mixed here, and I'm just gonna spray it onto the leaves, both the top and the bottom sides. The oil smells, so it will help to deter pests because of its potent smell, but it also will coat pests, and it'll make it so that they suffocate because it's oily and they can't breathe through the oil. It's important to try to remember to do this on days where it's overcast, because if you spray the plants when it's too sunny out, it's a danger of burning the leaves. But neem is one good pesticide, and then there's a few other natural pesticides that are for things like butterflies or other pests, and they're a lot of the time made out of bacterias that will directly affect the individual pest. Anyway, hope you learned a little something, and enjoy the rest of your day.